What's going on, YouTube? We got a lot to go over today, man. We do. Markets are looking rough. I get it. But there is hope at the end of the tunnel. And we're gonna go over, sure, we'll look at the charts today, but we're gonna break down a lot of key factors in the economy, what's going on in crypto, say, crypto reserve with Trump. There's so many multiple catalysts that's going on right now that people are in major fear, selling out, and that's what they want you to do. And we're gonna go over all that today. Stay tuned. Let's get it. First off, we're gonna go over the Bitcoin chart. Okay. I know in the previous clip we went over, saw the dump. We're getting another red candle on the hour, but we are in some key support right now, and we need to see what's gonna happen. But the sad part is, every time we've pumped up, we just dump back down. We go back into the order block, and we don't even, like, a lot of the times crypto, especially Bitcoin or something, it'll fly through the internal liquidity, like, say here, this internal liquidity, and then come up here and then drop, right? But what we're seeing right now is over and over, it's just hitting internal liquidity, dropping. Internal liquidity, dropping. You know, this one barely even came up, stayed stagnant, dropped. It is like this one, for example. Okay, over here, March 4th, we actually broke through internal liquidity, broke through this internal liquidity, and we're looking pretty good, right? Once we got to the external here or here, we got to the external here, we dropped. Came up to the internal, dropped. What I'm getting at here is we don't have much strength, okay? We do not have much strength at all, and that is a problem. So we need to go over what to do now, right? We need to know what's going on now. Me personally, indicators not calling for anything too crazy at the moment. Like the hour, it's not even calling a bottom yet. Here it did yesterday at 5 p.m. and it did have a reaction from this. And I love this indicator, the market cipher. This is the free version. I've been testing it, and that's why you see these red X's and the lines, and then down here is the key market cipher. And I'm starting to use it because I'm considering buying the real version of it. This is like someone made a copy for free. But I've heard a lot of good things about Market Cipher. A lot of the crypto traders I follow, Crypto Face, Jason, Casper, they're all Market Cipher traders, and I have to admit, I watch them use it and they break it down, and yeah, it's an amazing indicator. It's expensive. I mean, it's not a cheap one. It's like $1,000. It's like half price right now, so it's like $500 or $600 or whatever, which is good. But I mean, I'm not gonna buy it yet, but it's something I definitely want to get down the road, and it's something. I could put the link down in the description of the video. You guys can check it out. I mean, I'm not sponsored by them. I don't endorse them. I'm just telling you, you can get this free version. It's not even made by them. Someone else made it. It's called Market Cipher B by Willow Trades, or Market Cipher A. I use both of them. Actually, let's go in there again. See, there is some other ones too. Am I not spelling it? Cipher? Okay. Is this one? I don't know. We'd have to try them out. Let's see what this one. Let's see what this one looks. Oh wow. Different version. What's this buy and sell one, or this other one? Oh wow, this is something else. This is a little too much. I don't think I could trade with this, but yeah. That one's a little rough on the eyes, huh? I don't even know what the hell's going on here. I'm gonna go ahead and pass on that one. Let's see what this other one. That one's that. Yeah, hold on. Let me get this back to normal. That was madness. So this is Cipher B. Just looking at it, it does not look that great. I do not recommend. Sure, it called a couple tops, but it doesn't look too great. Like, yeah, if you caught this red box or red circle, it would have been a great short. But this one called it as well, you know. This one up top is, I'm not a big fan of that. Okay, so like I said, you want to try it out? MicroCypher A and B. The B one's by Wello Trades, and the other one's Falcon Coin. I recommend these. Sui, man, it's getting rough out here. Oh man, here comes the short. Here comes the dump. It's coming, guys. Volume is decreasing a little, but it's obviously taking control. There's no buying pressure right now. And what we need to talk about today is there's no buying pressure, okay? We have complete fear in the market. The 17 on the fear and greed index is probably, I believe, from what I've heard, the worst. I think it's as bad as when FTX crashed, okay? Pretty bad. Really bad. We got, everything just down today. Let's see if anything. Shiba is up 2% for the last 24 hours. Pepe, I mean, it's nothing to joke about. It's pretty bad right now. It's bad. Really bad right now. Token unlocks. This is another thing we need to talk about, guys. We got a big token unlock for the one and only. Oh, ApeCoin has one in 6 days. For the one and only, your favorite and my favorite. I mean, I love Solana to death, but I have to admit, got a major token unlock very, very, very soon. And oh my god, Jupiter also in 16 days has 100 million. Oh wow. But I do feel like, and we're going to talk about Jupiter also. I do feel like Jupe, maybe the price is already going to be priced in, and Solana too, but we're going to see. Jito has 27 days. Where is Solana? Did they already have their token unlocked? Hold on, guys. I'm wondering right now. Oh. Oh, it happened March 1st. Wait, no, looking ahead, March 31st is also another $1.6 million worth of Solana is set to unlock. And then April 30th, we got another. And then in May, too. But, so at first, it can affect the price, right? But afterwards, hold on, guys, sorry. I'm going to go live on TikTok. But afterwards, here's the catch. they're also putting more tokens in the market. You know, when Trump coin came out, they literally were struggling to, like, I think Coinbase ran out of Solana. I mean, they were running out of Solana. So what I'm getting at is they might be unlocking because they know that there's going to be big demand coming. I mean, this was already stuff scheduled a long time ago, so it wasn't like planned to the T or anything. But what I'm getting at is I want TikTok Live to be okay. So what I'm getting at is the token unlock. You know, they need more demand for more tokens. Well, let's, pump some more into the market. This was already scheduled, so it's not like they purposely planned this perfectly. But I'm just saying, I do think it's already priced in, obviously, on Solana. We are at $120 on Solana right now. Super cheap prices, super cheap. Scary prices also, I have to admit. It's not anything that we're happy about. I know a lot of people that really wish they would have gotten out at 300 and rebought back in, including myself. I don't know. I don't think anyone was really fully expecting the full damage of what's going on right now in the economy in the world. Hello, everyone tuning in on TikTok Live. But where we are at now is time where we have a lot of different factors. We do have good news. We have great news, right? Coming out. We literally have the crypto summit. We got banks getting the green light. Banks getting the green light on the approval to use crypto at the banks. We have the approval for that. So now it's like, well, why are we so bearish then, right? But we also have other economic factors playing. That's what we need to talk about. So we have a time where, get this up for you. CME website, right? Okay, so we have another FOMC meeting in 9 days. The probabilities of, let me break down what this is. So the FOMC, this is for interest rate cuts, interest rates, okay? They think, oh wow, now they think we will get 425 to 450, 97%, but that's the current, that's already what it currently is, right? They don't think it's going to change. They think it's going to stay the same, okay? We don't even know when. I mean, they're predicting a 3% chance that we'll get a rate cut. That is nothing. Now, let's look at May. Still pretty low. 37, 36 May to June. Okay, now we're looking more like 50%, but that's only to 400 to 425. It's nothing major, but I'm telling you, as long as we can see some type of movement. Hello, tuning in on TikTok Live. How you guys doing today? We're going over what is going on in the crypto markets, okay? I'm showing you guys. So, if we can get any type of rate cut, okay? I promise you, as long as the market can see some type of rate cut, we will see a better bullish sentiment, okay? While we're on here, I'm going to go ahead and take, I do have a short. Oh, I do have the long on Bitcoin already, okay. I do have a short active on Solana still for the Bitfunded account. That is going, the short's obviously going great. The long is in. The long is in on Blowfin. And the long is, or the short is in on Solana, and the long is in on Bitcoin also. Okay, so we're ready to go. It's a, you know, it's a small stop loss, 78,000. I'm willing to take this little risk. I don't think it's a big deal. If we get some type of movement here, I really don't think this trade's gonna hit though. I really don't. I'm gonna be honest with you. Maybe I shouldn't even take it. Maybe just keep holding my short on Solana. But I was willing. I mean, we did get this little pump at first, but it's just there's no buying volume. Okay, let's look at the last trades. It's all sales coming in. There's no big volume. I don't know. That one was almost $1 million long right there. 892. Let's look at the liquidation heat map. Okay. I know it's a rough time right now in crypto, but this literally is the catalyst. This is them pumping fear into the market. Okay. This is what they do. I can tell you, but listen to this.
Every Bitcoin knows very well, never sell your Bitcoin. That's
never sell your Bitcoin.
Phrase that they have. I don't know if that's right or not. Who the hell knows?
I'm telling you that Trump and the administration
from this day on,
saying
America will follow the rule that every Bitcoin knows.
They will no longer sell any government Bitcoin. Who the F keeps selling Bitcoin despite such good news? All manipulators. True. But remember, banks now get the green light to use crypto. Do you know what that means? Everyone tune in to TikTok. How you guys doing today? Let me set this a little bit more straight. Do you understand what that means for crypto? That banks are getting the green light. This is so major. We have never seen anything like this. How you guys doing today on TikTok? How you guys doing? We're going over what is going on in crypto, okay? What is going on? We have such bullish news all around the world, right? But the problem is, it isn't that. The problem is we need interest rates to come down. We need inflation to stop. That is when the big money will come in, okay? That is when we will see major change of events. So we need to look. Trump actually speaks today. I don't know what about, but that's on there. We have the JOLTS job opening tomorrow. And then Wednesday, we got core CPI. No, it's Canada. Yeah, we got CPI on freaking Wednesday. That is major news. They are predicting actually to go down to 0.3, and then this, yeah, they're expecting it to come down a little bit. On Thursday, we have PPI and unemployment claims. This is going to be a big deal. We need unemployment to kind of slow down. Because this is stuff that pumps fear into the market, right? This is what causes the catalyst to continue. But the inflows coming in, I mean, we literally have, maybe not today, but I mean, ask yourself this, why would people like Michael Saylor, Trump in World Liberty Finance, why would all these big players in the market be buying billions and billions of dollars of crypto? You know, mainly Bitcoin, don't get me wrong, but crypto in general. Let's go look. We're not even going to look at meme coins today. Trump coins down to $10, dude. These fucking meme coins are getting destroyed right now. I mean, shit, man. If you guys are gonna short anything, why don't we just look for some shorts on meme coins? Fuck, dude. We could be making bank right now. Why am I not shorting meme coins? I mean, what the fuck am I thinking? Let's just short the meme coins. Like we're huh, shit, peanut right now. You could probably short peanut at least down to here. I mean, I'm not gonna take it. It's too small of a trade, but I'm just saying, man, like, if you're gonna short anything, short the fucking meme coins right now. It is, look at Doge. Woo! Down to 16 cents, dude. I mean, what the fuck? But this is what people aren't looking at. Doge is a prime example. Look at this. We fib this up. Dude, right now we're about to land in support on the daily time frame at the 786. I personally am not even in Doge, but look at that. Boom. Right in the 786, support all the way across. I mean, this covers all the way over here. I would say Doge is in one of the best spots right now. It's really actually not as bad as a lot of these other ones. Shiba, look at how Shiba broke the major support, right? But it did come down to here. Well, it's starting to, but look how it broke this major support. You know what I'm saying? It's Doge is in a better spot. I have to give it that. It broke major support up here on the daily, don't get me wrong, but everything did. What didn't do that, right? You look at Bonk, and it broke the major support. Now it's in the 786 level. But this is what we really want to look at. Bitcoin dominance, total market cap. Everyone on TikTok, how you guys doing? Like, subscribe, follow. I'm also on YouTube at All In with Mitch, just like on TikTok. And on X too, guys, and on X. So look at this. Look at this. Bitcoin dominance is coming down. And the market cipher is calling the red X right here. Red X here. I think we might finally break below this support. And this will mean that the altcoins might start pumping. Oh, look at that. We're getting green dots on the market cipher. Solana, not so much. We just had a token unlock, like I just went over for you that were watching. XRP is coming down, but I mean, if we just get down. Oh, look at that. Touching the 786 almost. Boom. Mark that baby up. It tapped right into that, but it's still struggling. So I'm not going to say it could come down farther. Don't get me wrong. This is the dominance. So XRP holds 4.7% of the market. Now let's look at the others. Others are not looking good, right? Total market cap, or total DeFi dominance. I'm sorry. Total DeFi dominance. Not looking great. Let's just get rid of that though. Okay. That's not looking great. Now let's look at the stable coins. Look at, this is what's going on. The money is flowing into stables. People are selling off and putting them into stable coins. So now we got to look at the daily time frame on stables. We had a change. We're bullish. The stable coins are bullish. It's not good though. That means that people are, I mean, the money's not totally leaving crypto, at least. That's a good thing. But people are they're selling off and they're putting their money into stables. That's what this means. When the dominance is going up on stable coins, it means people are selling off and putting them into stables. You swap into stables. They're pulling out of the coins and putting them into stables. But this is what I'm hoping to see. Hoping we get up into here. I'm hoping we drop. All right. This is back September. Okay. This is back in September. We finally started coming down. And then November, we got out, right? Oh, man. Look at USDT broke above this one. That's not good. That's not good at all. Let's fib this out. Boom. To boom. We're tapping the 382. We are breaking above this box. We're most likely going to go to 5% and come up here. So, most likely, probably going to hopefully see this happen. And then we drop, right? We want the stable dominance to drop. So then that means that people are swapping back into the coins that we want to pump. Bitcoin and all that, right? Everything. So this is total market cap, guys. And this is not good. All right. We broke this support level. We broke it. Also now resistance. See, this is resistance way back here. This is not good. You know what I mean? I personally, I think we're probably gonna come out down into this box, 786 to the 71. And I think that we would bounce from here. I'm hoping. That's what I hope. There's no doubt we're probably gonna come down there. This ain't gonna hold. This is bullshit support. This is kind of like what Bitcoin's in right now. That's what's kind of crazy. You think about it, Bitcoin is in the same position right now. It's in this weird support zone, and down here is the 73 to 70,000 range, just like on Bitcoin. Let's go look at it right now. Look at this. Same thing. How crazy is that? We're literally looking at the same fucking thing, dude. So, you know, maybe, I mean, it's possible we hold through this and then bounce, but realistically, probably going to come down to here. Hold on. We're probably going to come down into this 70,000 to 73,000 level. That is where the major support is. Okay? That's probably where we're going. I hate to say it. It also means that altcoins are going to get wrecked even more. But I mean, this is a totally different market than before. This is totally different. This is a different bull run altogether. I mean, think about this. Think about this. When so on this bull run, we actually broke the all-time high before the halving. That was a first. That never happened before. The halving was, let's go look at the previous bull run. Hold on. No, let's go to the daily. Okay. 2020. Here we go. So I already know it's marked up right here. So this blue line is the halving of 2020. Okay. This is from backtest. Let me clean this up so you guys can see better. Okay. You go to the halving of 2020, right? We never broke we never broke all-time highs. Never did that, obviously. Boom. There's the all-time high of 2017 bull run. Then 2020, halving happens right here. And then we run, right? And we ran for, see how many days for the first wave. 347 days. 347 days for that first wave. Then we had the second wave down, and then boom, exploded. November 10th. 555 days total. See that? 555. 555 days. Could be off by a day or two, but it's fine. So let's go to our halving now. Okay. Our halving was May. What was it, like May 20th or something? Call it May 20th, I believe it was something like that. All the way to now. We're only 294 days in. You guys understand or get what I'm saying here? We're only 294 days in. And we are going through the motions. I'll be honest with you, this is my first time doing this. I never went and counted exactly how many days. This is something that's positive for us. Okay? Technically, 555 days is how long it took. I mean, we're not even, where the hell would that even be? Look. Let's look. May 20th. That would be 555 days. Oh my God. Dude. Guess where that puts us? You won't believe it. November 26th of this year would be 555 days. I want you guys to see something. The last peak of the bull run, November 10th, 2021. Let's look at the bull run before. Let's go back in history more. This was the halving. May 8th. Peak of the bull run was December 18th. 224 days. Huh. A lot shorter. But we're, you know, we're in a different time. We're in a completely different time. This is something to look at, though. 2017, we just had one wave up from the halving. We went from $1,000 to 20,000 almost. We didn't have a second rally up until, I guess, 2019. We didn't break all time. We hit the high in 17. Yeah, I mean, I think we had, there was some type of economic downfall. I want to see something. Watch this. When did Trump put in tariffs in 2007? In his last term. Gotta love ChatGPT or any AI. Taking a minute. On here. Taking a while. Yeah, this is, I mean, I have to admit, this is a little scary. We only had one wave up and then we just, boom. But, look at Ethereum. Hold on. Go look at Ethereum. It didn't peak until January of 18. So what happened was the altcoin rally happened. Totally different time zone crypto, I have to admit. But look at this. Altcoins bled. It peaked May of 21, dropped 61%. Let's just call it 61%. And then rallied another 178%. I have to admit, I only think we got one more wave up. Oh wow, I need to clean this chart up. This is crazy. This is a crazy chart. The trend line can stay though. We're getting down to some major support down there. See that? We fibbed the whole thing. We're in the 7-1, almost the 7-1. We fib it from here. We're in the pocket almost. I'm gonna keep that one up. One, two. Yeah, I just don't think it's over though. Really don't. Really don't think it's over. I mean, the perfect, honestly, a good XA, or it's X to D pad, XAB. Even if you went like that, but this would need to hold in order for that, because you don't want to go below B. That's where it gets iffy. You know, there's just so many catalysts. Like, you look at Sui, like, there should be one more leg up, right? That's just what I believe, and that's what makes the most sense. But we have to get some certainty in the market or the economy. There has to be some certainty before anything. Like, we just have to have some type of clarity. Because the problem here is the big money is not going to do anything until this data for, you know, interest rates, inflation, the data needs to come out positive. We need positive data until the big money will come in. One thing I saw was pump.fun, 24-hour revenue has crashed at only 667,000. And people are finally, did you know? Look at this. Look at this. The new Fortnite season. Hold on, wait for it. Right there. Hold on. I'm looking for. Hold on. Fortnite new season. Watch this. Here it is. No.
You've seen this pickle. Big Dill wanted and on the run for allegedly participating in a crypto rug pull. The wannabe rapping Pickle launched a crypto meme coin called Dill Bits.
Big Dill, solid rapper, but not the most trustworthy individual. Spend those Dill Bits now in the black markets ASAP.
Please do not purchase this coin. Do not take financial advice from a pickle.
How funny is that? The new Fortnite season is based around a crypto rug pulling pickle. That's what the whole thing is. They're making fun of the meme coin rug pull scene. Pretty crazy. I mean, it's not. I mean, it's kind of like crypto is getting, some recognition by Fortnite, right? But it's not like I mean, yeah, it's negative news, but it's still spotlighting crypto, the pump and dump gun. It's kind of funny. You have to admit, it's kind of funny. It's a little funny, but yeah, that's what's going on. There's something else to show you guys. Do it, Watcher Guru. Actually, no. Follow. I wouldn't mind following their. I don't know if I already do. Let's do it just in case. One chance. Okay. That whole folder is bullshit. Okay. But I will make a new. Yeah, this is bullshit. Anyone know how to get rid of the shit? I don't know how to get rid of all this crap, dude. I don't know. But anyways. I'll have to do it later. But anyways, so yeah, there's a bunch of spam in my Telegram. Like I said, there's strategy to raise up 21 billion to purchase more Bitcoin. Thailand's SEC officially approves Tether as a complement cryptocurrency. Singapore exchange list.
All I know is this: we're going to take in hundreds of billions of dollars in tariffs, and we're going to become so rich, you're not going to know where to spend all that money. I'm telling you, you just watch. We're going to have jobs. We're going to have open factories. It's going to be great.
I mean, hey. Oh yeah, Canadian Prime Minister. 120 million liquidated. Okay. So, we just seen all this stuff, but this is here. This is Dogecoin millionaire. Well, he's not no more, but who is that? What's going on, everybody? I needed to make this. This is second part of the day, same video. We need to talk about what is playing out. So I know earlier this morning when we were recording, we were hovering in this section here. I believe when we were recording, we did dip to 77, but we are now officially down. Coming, we're definitely coming to the area. I mean, honestly, there is a little pocket right here, but it's nothing that crazy, substantial. I mean, yeah, we're in between the 618 and the 5 on the big part of this, but I want to. This is November 4th, so it's a fib from there. Real quick, we would be right now hitting the 786, which is this level. So that is also good to look at. Yeah, there is something here, but it's not anything that crazy. Let's face it, this is not major support. We getting down to here is more realistic, like I've been calling out for a while now. Yeah, we're in some shorts right now, but I'll be honest, I'm tired of shorting the market because my long-term portfolio is obviously getting wrecked. So it's like, yeah, I honestly don't even want to keep going down. I don't want to keep shorting the market. Right now, our Solana short's still playing out on Bitfunded. Really not what I want anymore. I'm over it now. That's the cold part. You know what I mean? Like shit, we're up 100. Yeah, it's just like I'm not even logged. But Oh yeah, WeX, we got one going, running still too. Let's look at Solana. We broke through this. I here on, but this is the yellow line's gonna be holding really, yeah, 105 to 100 is most likely where we're going. The time to buy long term. I'm just saying though, I fully understand. This is a lot to stomach because I'll be real with you. Yeah, do I wish I wish I got out at 300 and reposition down here. Like, I could have gone in and out a couple times. Oh, that's where I'm at with it. Not great. Not great at all. Look at Ethereum. Right through this. Oh, this is the area. This is where we're at next, guys. I don't know. Might be coming down to 1500, believe it or not. What's crazy is, man, everything's so short-lived. You know what I mean? Like, everything is so short. Dewey down to $2. $1.89. It's a rough time. It is. This is not, this is not for everybody. Not everyone can stomach this. Really not. B&B, shit, B&B's not even, like, it's not great, but I'm just saying, like, I feel like it's you would have been better off holding B&B. Most alts down 34. I mean, now getting into this nice support zone. Can't say the same for, and XRP too is right now tapping into really good support. Not really good, but pretty good. If this fails, we're going down to $1.50. I mean, all of them are coming down here. Dollars all day. Really box down. You don't need it. No longer even support. Oh yeah, we're coming down here. But guess what? I guarantee when we come down here, chain link right here, I bet you this $10 mark. Bet we're gonna rally from there. Uniswap coming down to good support. But here's the key thing. Alright guys. Caspa, I don't even want to look. Probably going down to 4. World coin. Fortunately I hold some. Wow. This. You see. Gotta look at. Yeah, we're at. Dude. Oh man. Oh, I fumbled. I I was up all the way up to here on this. I sold some, but I wish I got rid of all of it. Crazy, man. I'll admit that was a bigger fumble. Stable coins just keep pumping. On. Total market in here. Maybe. Doubt it. Man. All markets is really just like complete. And that was short. $8. This was at 40 fucking Honda 74. And it's gonna come down. I think something. All of these, a lot of these art alts are coming down to major key support levels. Um, Jupiter's spot also. It's hard to stomach. And sit here and lie to you. Tough shit to stomach, man. Crazy. Some of these are literally. Look at that. Just follow that trend line all the way down on the daily. So guys, before I'm gonna put this video out, I just wanted to, I know it's hard to watch and look at right now, but I'm telling you, it wouldn't make any sense for this market to not go. I'm telling you, there's so many people pushing crypto right now. Like, no way. I just would be, I know economy right now is not good. I understand there's a lot of economic things right now that are making this really hard. All these Democrats are attacking the Cybertruck. But who is this? Yeah, I have to agree here. Wow, your tape. That Florida, I'll be flying back tomorrow. Look forward to getting. Oh man, people are lose hope in Trump, and I don't know. I like this post. I haven't showing you guys. Oh shit, on 76,000. Let's go in 2020. It's the one right before the major. I know it's not that. Yeah, he's this is nothing. 22%. Definitely. Well, I see what he's saying. So the halving was right here in May of 2020. Then have 86 days. So then July happens, pump, jump, shoot to the moon, right? But then we have 56% dip before we go even higher. And I look at now, see it, like, do see it. You could also say, okay, May. Having. Yeah, November we pumped. But yes, do we think the bull run's over in 200, not even full, not even a full 4-year Bitcoin cycle? Because, I mean, it's possible, guys. It's possible. Hear me out here. That we get a bull run that is actually longer, like a longer 4-year cycle. Hear me out. For the first time ever, we broke all-time highs before the halving. We broke the all-time high before the halving. That never has happened before. Okay. We hit 73,000 before the halving even. And that alone is its own, like, once in a lifetime thing, right? In Bitcoin's history. That's the first time that ever happened. So now we have all the banks, governments, everyone playing in crypto now. And what we can see here is we might have a bull run that is different than every other time, okay? It could be a little bit longer because of the economy right now, right? Our economy in COVID, okay, the last bull run, COVID happened, we have a crash, and then everyone's getting free money. The money printer just starts. We get flooded with money. The markets explode. They go nuts, right? So that's one thing that is different is right now, our economy, we're not, not a bunch of money flowing in. We're going through a rough patch. And then you got 2017, yeah, we had like a little bit of a shakeup. That was during Trump's last presidency. We still had a good bull run, but I don't know. We're just the fundamentals right now. We have so much against us fundamentally. Okay, like the fundamentals are beyond important. They really are, and what I'm seeing isn't lining up exactly how Um, a rough patch right now. You know, all around it's just a little rough patch. But like I said, trying to force Jerome Powell's hand and cut rates. So that's what I think he's purposely doing. That's what a lot, not even just me, but a lot of people, that he's trying to force his hand to cut rates in March to align. Um, sure. Right here, let's see, March, 8 days away, actually, shit. But I don't know. I don't know if it would be March. My buddy, mentor, one of my mentors, you just saw on the Discord, was saying Sol going to $99. Get ready, guys. I think we'll have a rate cut in March if it gets worse. A lot of people are saying, man, that they think he's trying to force Jerome Powell to make a rate cut because obviously the president can't control what the Feds do. And Jerome Powell, I don't think, is the biggest fan of Trump either. I'll be honest with you, I really don't. So that's one thing that worries me too, is Jerome Powell and Trump. I don't see eye to eye. Like, there's so much battle between the Republicans and Democrats right now that I don't know. I really, it's at a point now where it's getting scary. Okay, it's really getting scary. I just want to see the harmonic pattern. This is one of the scanners you get, including live education every day. If you want to learn how to trade, how to invest, you know, my description, my link in the bio is always there, and you can always just literally just send me a message, and then we can talk privately. But yeah, as for education, there's nothing that tops what we do. But as you see here on curve, it called it out down 35. It hasn't hit the invalidation yet, but I'd be scared to go long on anything right now. Okay, I'm just gonna say, like, I got my shorts rolling, and honestly, just remember, Solana, the take profits at 110. Honestly, I feel like we should go one. Honestly, because honest to God, that's what I think. Change my take profit. I think we're going lower, guys. Really. Honestly, like, only be looking for shorts. Right now in this market conditions, there is nothing to go long about. I'll show you what we need before you can even consider going long. All right, safely. You safely need to. We need. Let's just hypothetically. I'm not saying I think this will happen. Obviously, we marked this box up. We are wicking off of it right now, so we might get a reaction off this box. But we have to, this is on the hour time frame, we have to break above here just on the short time frame. But we need to break this before we'd even consider going long. And we would want to see it to come up here, break this, come back down, retest, and we go, right? We would not go against the tide, right? You do not want to get caught in. We could just continue to go lower. You know what I mean? Like, no point go against it. Like, if you're buying for long term holding, that's different. Totally. But as for like actual day trading shit, like in and out leverage trades, do not try going against this. This is not something you want to go against. All right. What I was gonna say is the yeah, we would need to break above. I haven't stopped believing. I have not given up faith. I think we are still gonna make it to the next wave. I don't think we're over yet. Yeah, people are saying this time feels different. A lot of people are wow. Guys, but this guy Jason, um, yeah, it's, I mean, see the best of them. Wow. This guy Murad round trips his meme coin bags from 50 mil to 10 mil. I mean, this dude. Oh wow. I mean, look at this. Trump's crypto portfolio is down 300 million 4 weeks. You think this man wants to lose a bunch of money? I mean, he can literally just say something tomorrow that could pump the markets. You guys do know that's the power he has. He can literally just tweet one little thing. And we're back and running. And these red X's on this market cipher is pretty solid, man. It really does call. I'm figuring out the blue triangles all out, change in direction. I don't think it means up, but these obviously. But if you see down here, it wasn't even oversold yet, so these would have been horrible picks, right? Even in this middle, I'm still figuring this indicator. But as you can see, though, the money flow is to the bottom, which means it's all sold. I mean, bearish money, right? And when it's bullish money flowing top, we want to see the money flow going. Like over here, we saw money flow. Yeah. That's one thing that. Reason that. Oh, because it's happened. Yeah. We got bearish money flow. You can see. This indicator is really good. Obviously, this isn't the paid version one. This isn't the actual real market cipher, but it's good. It's not bad. For free, also. Still figuring it out completely. Let's look at gold, for instance. I mean, even gold is dropping. And you'd think at a time gold would be considering, it's, I mean, box. Considering like should be doing. I feel like gold should be doing good at a time like this, right? Pocket. I think we're gonna see the SPX come. But I do think all right from there. And your bonds. Stability index. I just want to know which one are accurate because this one. Volatility. Little bit. Yeah, they are. Cause look at this candle here. Look at it here. Major difference. All right, guys, I'm gonna close this up. I do gotta going, but yeah, just stay safe, man. Long-term hold. I mean, if you're day trading, definitely be careful. Look for shorts. Don't try long in until we get break of structure or something. But other than that, guys, stay safe, man. Gonna get through this. We always do. Stay strong. And subscribe, like, and follow all my socials, my YouTube, my TikTok, X account, all in Mitch. Have a good one.